Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use SUMIF function in MS Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. This is the 4-year data of employees. This is actually the data of employees' sales. See, the names of employees is repeated here. We want to calculate the sales of these employees. See, in first column there is names of employees. In second column there is sales of year 2021. In third column there is sales of year 2022. In fourth column there is sales of year 2023. And in fifth column there is sales of year 2024. Look at the second table here. See, in first column there is names of employees. In second column there is total sales of year 2021. In third column there is total sales of year 2022. In fourth column there is total sales of year 2023. In fifth column there is total sales of year 2024. To apply formula, we have to make a list of all the employees' ID names. For this, go to the data in main menu, then select data validation. A pop-up will appear. Select list here and click on source. Select all the employees' names here and then press OK. See, in this cell, list has been created. Select a random ID here. To apply the formula, simply select the cell and write equal SUMIF bracket. For range, select all the employees, comma. For criteria, select the particular employee name, comma. In sum range section, select the total sales of 2021 and press enter button. Total sales of the particular employee name has been shown here. Now for total sales 2022, write equal SUMIF bracket. For range, select all the employees IDs, comma. For criteria, select the particular employee name, comma. In sum range section, select the total sales of 2022 and press enter button. See the total of sales. Now for total sales 2023, write equal SUMIF bracket. Select the employees, comma. Select the particular employee name, comma. Select the total sales of 2023 and then press enter button. See the total of sales of 2023. Now for total sales of 2024, write equal SUMIF bracket. Select the employees, comma. For criteria, select the particular employee name, comma. In sum range section, select the total sales of 2024 and press enter button. See the total of sales. Now to center the data, simply select the data and go to the Home tab and place it center. So that's how to use SUMIF function in Excel. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.